I'm going to introduce a very special product, the Havells Gracia Alkaline Super Hot 3-in-1 Water Purifier. This purifier is just not for clean water, it gives you alkaline water, hot, warm and ambient water. Let's explore why this purifier is the perfect choice for your modern families. Let's start with the design. Many purifiers looks bulky, but this Gracia Alkaline is sleek and elegant. It does not just purify water, it also adds beauty for your kitchen. Now let's talk about the purification. The Gracia comes with 10 stages of advanced purification, which includes RO plus UV. Each stage in the Gracia has a role. These filters together remove the germs, chemicals, pesticides and even heavy metals like lead and arsenic. This ensures the water from the filter is crystal clear and 100% safe. The special highlight of Gracia is the alkaline water. With a pH of 8+, alkaline water has the multiple health benefits. It helps bones and joints stronger. And the second benefit is about it supports better digestion by reducing the acidity, and also it helps in boosting your immune power. So every sip you take is safe, healthy and refreshing. Most purifiers removes everything, including the good minerals. But the Havells Gracia is something different. It retains essential minerals like calcium, magnesium along with copper and zinc. These minerals are vital for your health. Calcium and magnesium for strong bones and teeth, and zinc and copper for better immunity and energy. Now let's see storage. It has a tank capacity of 7.5 liters in total. The Gracia purifier comes with SS304 stainless steel tank, which is rust-free, durable and hygienic. Havells also provides 10 years of tank warranty, which shows its long-lasting durability. And for extra protection, it has an in-tank UV sterilizer. For every 4 hours, the UV light runs for 10 minutes inside. By this, your stored water in the tank stays fresh and germ-free. This purifier can handle the water with TDS up to 2000. So even if you have a hot water at home, it still delivers clean, balanced water without losing essential minerals. And the main unique feature is 3-in-1 water. It can dispense your ambient water for everyday usage and warm water at 45 degrees Celsius, which is perfect for your kids, elders and for your regular usage. And you can get super hot water at 80 degrees Celsius, which is ideal for your tea, coffee or for instant foods. To ensure the safety, this Gracia comes with child lock feature for the hot water to keep your children safe. To summarize, Havells Gracia provides 10 stages of purification plus TDS up to 2000 ppm, alkaline water with its benefits, and has a longer warranty for 10 years for your tank along with 3-in-1 water options. So if you want a smart, safe and a healthy water purifier for your family, the Havells Gracia Alkaline is super perfect for you. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more product videos.